Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making some salt and pepper wings. So I have 2 pounds of wings that I've already washed with some lemon juice. I'm just going to take some paper towel and pat the wings dry. And you want to make sure to do this so that the marinade sticks to the chicken well. For the marinade, I'll be using half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now this recipe usually calls for white pepper, but I don't have any today, so I'm just going to use what I got. 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix and then I'll let this marinate for about 20 minutes. While that's being done, I'll chop up my vegetables. And I'm starting with half a green pepper. And I'm just going to chop this up into small pieces. Then I'll chop up about 2 stalks of green onion. And then I'm going to take 3 garlic cloves and I'll mince this as well. And then I'll also cut up half an onion. And at this point, you could also add some red chilies if you like, just to add a bit of heat. Now I'll get my seasoning mix ready as well. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And this is what I'll be sprinkling over my wings while I'm tossing them at the end. Now I'm going to be using my wok to fry my wings. I'm going to wait for the oil to heat up, and I'm going to heat it up to about 350 degrees. Now while I'm waiting for my oil to heat up, I'll get my flour mixture ready. And that's just going to be 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm just going to lightly coat my wings. You don't want to coat them too much. And I'll just quickly squeeze the flour into the chicken as well. And then I'll set that aside. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'll drop in all my wings. Now these are a lot of wings, so I will be cooking them in batches so that I don't overcrowd my pan. And after about 30 seconds, I'm just going to give the wings a little stir so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then I'll fry these for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the wings are done, I'll remove them and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towel to soak up any excess oil. And this is what my wings look like once they're done. Beautiful brown color, and they're nice and crispy. Now I've removed all the oil from my wok and set it aside. If you want to skip, you can just use a completely different frying pan. Now with the same oil, I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons back into the wok. And then I'll add in my onions. I'll saute this for about 45 seconds, and then I'll add in garlic, green peppers, and half of my green onions. I'll saute this for about 45 seconds, and then I'll add in my wings. I'm just going to toss these around quickly, and then I'll add in some of my seasoning mix. And I'll just keep tossing the wings until all the seasoning is added. Once that's done, I'll plate my wings and garnish with the remaining green onion. And there you have it, salt and pepper chicken wings. If you like today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for new delicious recipes. See you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.